Okay, hello everyone. So let's begin with today's is like building or creating a mood board for your application or your product. Okay, generally before I think in today two classes we talked about the wireframing, how we can wireframe, and before wireframing we can we have to do the information architecture or create a sitemap. Based on that we can create a wireframing. Okay, so I hope you have a little bit idea about to create a wireframe. Okay, and while until and unless you don't jump into the real project, or maybe don't jump into the like doing by yourselves, and it will quite hard to understand how it looks and how it goes. So that I always insist that you have to um, do you by yourself. So well, today I'm going to show you the like collecting or preparing your mood board for the product. Okay, so I'm taking one example. Let's say same example that Sunrise Oasis Linden. This is my last project. Okay, that I build a UI for one particular company. So I will share from there how you can collect the mood board or prepare. Okay, how you can get the color idea, and how you can build multiple pages, and then you can like get some ideas to build something. Okay, so yeah. It's loading. Okay, whatever, there is nothing. Yeah, there is a student. Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically, let me tell you what is mood board. Simply, mood board is just your kind of vague idea or multiple idea collected in one particular framework. So you can collect anything whenever you see like once you finalize your site map. Once after that you finalize the wireframing, and then you move to prepare the prototype. So before designing your prototype you have to have some kind of mood board, okay, for your project, so that you can finalize the aesthetic look of your website, how you want to move. Okay, how you can design, and what are the element that you want to place and where you want to place. So these are the things that you can get the idea from preparing a mood board. So see, you can see the label that I have mentioned: home page. Okay, another home page. Okay, so and then see, I have a two different page for the home page, and particularly for one home, in this section, I have a little bit deeper research for only for the what you called hero section. Generally, hero section is the first screen when user see when someone enters the URL. This is the first user, or what you called let me present it. First screen or first view that generally users see. So for that, I invested a little bit much more time than any other pages and any other sections. So that you can see individually one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine different what do you called ideas I try to collect it. So as you can see, there are multiple variation and multiple styles. For example, here you can see like the particularly focused on a product, and beside below the product there is some kind of social connections, and on the right side you can see the down arrow likewise. Okay, on the very right top on you can see the menu likewise. So and there is another competitors. This one is the like Sunrise competitor website, and they have created a good, and they have like placed a project what do you call the picture. So Alquan is their project, that is why you can see here. So if view project and name of the project, and obviously they have listed three different project. That is why here we can see 01/03. And below that, we can see the project name and the school. They are giving a kind of guidance what to do. Okay. And on the right side, there is a what do you call the socials icon for Facebook, Instagram, and so other things. And there in the top section, there is navigation. Likewise, they have built. And there is another uh, hero sections, and this is also a kind of showcase for the particular project. But it is, I don't know whether you notice or not, there is a lorem ipsum kind of text. It is actually a lorem ipsum is like dummy text for the website, so it's actually someone's design that the artist build for kind of showcasing on social any media or building their portfolio. Likewise, there is another hero section that you can see on the top. There is a huge navbar in the middle menu with sorry logo, and there is another computer like Huda Lightning, and they have placed one huge screen, and they are not giving any scrolling or anything. Just you have to click on particular location they have listed. I not pretty fan of this particular website. Okay, we have to click what first the location, and then we can see the rest of the other. Likewise, there is some other design like here. I think it's like tour packaging or planning. So likewise, okay, and this is another section. So like listing the services, how you can list. It's just simple ideas that I collected. Now, how you can collect it from where you can collect it. First, I show you. So I collected some of the home screen from the real competitor to like get the ideas how they are presenting their work or their product or their project. So first we need to get the idea from the competitors. So why we need get some insight from the competitor is we are building something better than this, better than them, because we are a competitor. They are serving the same product with the same customer, so that they are completely a direct what you called competitor, so that we are fighting with them, and we need to be better than their website's home screen, so that user can find a little bit easy or very friendly when they are visiting. So, and there is another entire home screen section. So simply here you can see a kind of what do you call green color is very on primary. Okay, obviously the companies maybe the green color is their primary color, and each and other words are like we can see the green color. And for the action, the designer give a yellowish color, and the combination is quite good because yellow and green, dark green is complementary, and yeah, as you can see, the text and everything is looks fine. So I collected these, and likewise, this is entirely for the home screen. Now you can see how we can. This is for the product listing page. Okay, so how we can list the product, and what is the best way to list the product. So I collected multiple ideas and multiple design from the multiple sources. I will show you how to find this kind of design in other sources, so I will show you, but just giving you the reference that you can collect some kind of um, inspiration. Okay, and out of that you can collect. So see, there is on the right side they have listed all the categories. Okay, and the filter section, and here again they have listed best sellers product. Okay, so in the middle they are giving a big cart for the products. Okay, we can see the real picture with a very big cart and easily identify color and other variations, so it's quite pretty good. Likewise, we can see, okay, so this is maybe, I don't know whether you are like familiar or not with Alibaba. This design is looks like the Alibaba, and this is like color also kind of same with the Alibaba. And you can see the listed of product, and there is a discount percentage also on right side of each and every product. So likewise, there is a product details page for the like giving you a individual product. So when someone is like want to get the depth details of particular product, you have to prepare the single page. So you can see the looks, looks or style of that particular single product is the this designer is presenting like a small kind of picture on a left side and a bigger picture on a right side. So and the on middle, sorry, middle, and on the right side that you can get the details and add to card, and you can see there is a sample sizes. This section is like what do you call sizes, large, medium, this kind of. And below that they are giving a kind of USP, so maybe return policy, deliver policy, okay, secure policy they are giving. And there is a review section or comment section and description for the tabs. So this is also a kind of good like a user interface. And related with the product, they are giving other list of products so that you can find maybe useful, okay, user can find useful. Likewise, there is another example. I think it's from Amazon. Yeah, as you can see, the yeah, obviously this is Amazon basic. The normal like Amazon's website's product detail is look like this, okay. And yeah, okay, I think we have to discuss, we already discussed regarding those things. It's like paper wireframing, okay. I'm just giving you a hit comes here. So it's just a paper wireframe. So you can prepare like this way. It's just a simple, very, very basic paper wireframe. What are the content, where you wanted to put your logo. See, this is the for the logo section. There is like contact description. This is for navigation video, and these are the things that we already discussed, okay. So well, and again, this is for the about sections for the companies. So this is also a kind of one wireframing type stuff. So in the middle there is one what do you call slide, and below that there is a card. Okay, likewise there is, and there is one full-fledged website mockup. So what do you call slider, or one full screen images with some kind of content detail and services. Okay, and other section where there is a on a left side there is a text, on the right side there is a video clip with a little bit slightly aesthetics pattern. See, the service pattern here in this what do you call image, the this image, and if you compare to the first one, you can see a little bit related with it. See, it's just a little bit slightly trying to do something differently, but it looks like a something. So in website everything look like a similar. It's just that how you perceive, and it's just that how you present with your with the company's brand identity. Okay, so whenever you try to design or whenever you try to make something, you have to follow the some kind of guideline and some kind of branding guidelines so that you can match your website or design with the company's tone and voices. So see, yeah, these are the things, basic things that you can get the ideas. Okay, so here you can see is the team member, the designer, how they presented. Like our team is a simple, and the mid the export is the like highlighted. Why? And normally our team doesn't share anything. It's just a team means simply putting a word. But with the export means they have a export team, so user can feel the text. Because of that, the designer is giving mid the export for the focus, and our team is a little bit less focused. So likewise, there is a multiple other what do you call some of the wireframing also. And then there is a mega menu. So why I put the mega menu is in our Sunrise website. In this website, okay, so we have a mega menu. I will show you where it is, a mega menu for the like browsing, and then we can get the idea. So see, and now you can see how I collected the color variation. See, if you want to choose the color, then see, these are the variation that I tried. Okay, so you have to do your own research. For me, it was already existing company. That is why I don't have to like explore many more times. It just I applied two images, and based on their old references, I get the result, and I applied one particular color. Okay, but uh, as much you can, you have to like try. If you are working on a very new project, then try to do like and try to uh, brainstorm yourselves, play with multiple other things, and try to come up with a various idea, and then comes in one particular color. So yeah, basically this is the simple and easy way to find out the possible solution for your design. Okay, now, so how I designed my home screen and what are the elements that I took from those mood boards, I will show you. Let me see. See, first, you can see, as you can see, this is my home screen. See, here on my right side, I put headings, and below that there is a little bit description, and you can see a X and CTA button. So if you see on every home screen, except few, every screen has a similar kind of feature. So uh, see, we don't have to like break the everything, break the rules, and so we have to use same elements, because it will gives much more easiness to read and understand the things. That is why I adopt as it is. But so what I did is I adopt this idea, this one. So there is a small cart. Okay, so here you can see the small cart has a difference. So first, second, third, fourth has a different image, and background has a different image. Okay, so the designer has a different concept. Okay, so that is why he placed the different background image and the different card. Okay, so likewise we can see some other, there is another example, no, yeah, okay, this is his example. And what I did here is I took a similar reference, but what I did is I applied my own kind of thinking. So these three card is same project. Okay, what I do is I will put the first image first, the like bigger image, and then what I can do is while I was designing this, I was imagining animation also. So it will comes from the left to right by sliding. Okay, left to right, and at the same times, what happens if one project or one slide comes in particular first this part, then it will slide in background also. So each and every times when it slides in a first screen, then it will slide the second screen also. So how I got the animation idea, I will show you that I have a what do you call, sliding animations idea also. So see, while designing or creating any kind of websites or anything, you have to research and you have to find out the best possible ideas so that you can find out the good result for you. Okay, just a second, I will share one. Okay, oh, I missed that. Okay, let me check on YouTube. I think I found that sliders animation on a YouTube. Okay, let me show you. WordPress slider Elementor. Okay, I have copied one, but I don't know where I gave them. Yeah, this is the things. Okay, yeah. See, as you it's not sliding. Just a second. Okay, let's wait. See, you can see the animation, right? Okay. This is how I try to come up with the ideas so that I can implement on my project and I can get the result as I expected. So, and I created this kind of, so to give a kind of navigation where I am and which slide is running. So I give a little bit navigation, small navigation on this last, okay, on the bottom of the screen, and then I can get the ideas. If it is like yellowish color, then obviously it is middle of the slides that is running or something. I can get the ideas. Okay, so for the city option, I put what you called action or which page is enabled. Because of that, I put the yellow color, or you can, it's a golden color. So I give a little bit golden color. And as you see, the home screen, see, the business is related with the lightning design. That is why what I did is I uh, created some kind of mask in
each what do you call edges on left, right, top, bottom. In the middle of
I give uh, more focus on the middle of the screen so that the picture or lightning looks a little bit better than other. Okay, so because of that black mask, you can see the text can be very visible for the user. Okay, they can easily read the text, and you can get the ideas the company is working with the lights, and we can feel the light also, like red and the white light we can feel. That is how I ended up. And then see, the company is following the black and a kind of gray color for entire website. So I followed everywhere. And for the kind of new product, then I put it one small yellow colors tag so that it can be highlighted and easily user can get the idea. So it is actually what is called a new or maybe discounted or anything we can put later on, but for it's only for the markup. So yeah, well, I was talking about the mega menu. Now I will show you how or where I used mega menu in the desktop session. Let me show you mega menu. Okay. So generally I used mega menu for the about X section. Why? In about us section, there are lots of menu like message, company information, project and service, gallery, CSR, download, and contact us. Okay. Under the company information, there are again much more information like mission, vision, objectives, okay, group of companies and everything. So what I thought is, okay, I can put the mega menu kind of concept for the about us menu and the shop menu also, because shop has a multiple other categories because of that. So see, we can put the main category and we can give the list of items, and we can give the link or get to know more, or we can see like click here to jump to the page. Particularly we can text label it with one particular name that which that might be good for the particular buttons or label that we can give, and we can redirect the pages. So this is how I try to come up with the ideas and the markup, and based on that markup I try to create a similar kind of a page. And let me show you the product page now. See, this is the product listing page. As you can see, I give a little bit bigger picture. As I shown you on the mood board, there was one particular website where the product is a little bit larger. Okay, you can see the clear picture of that particular product. So I like that concept, and I try to adopt those concept on my stick. But in that particular website, you can see small only three cards, but here I placed one, two, three, four, five products at the same time, because in lightning mostly light are very small, not like cheer and other. This is why I implement. And this is the single detail space. Here you can see on the right side. See, I try to adopt the Amazon's what do you call single page product, because on the middle there is obviously details, and on the side there is another box kind of things. If you have noticed, let me show you on again a mood board. Amazon has a similar kind of what do you call, see, I just change a few things. See, this is the image, product image, and product detail, and there it is one a kind of box where we can get the price detail and add to cart or shopping option. So likewise, I try to, okay, adopt the concept same. I just change. See, the image in Amazon we can see on the what do you call here on the left side. I put it here in below. Okay, this is how I come up with. And below obviously there I listed some feature product and application areas and footer simply. Okay, and here you can see simply please log in to register the seat is stuck. If someone is logged, then he or she can see like this. Okay, we have a more than 150. So at the same time I'm putting some kind of logic also. And now this is for the users table. Okay, if user listed the product list in the add to card, also likewise add to card, we can see the list of product okay, what are the technical details, okay, some contents. Yeah, obviously this is like it's basic concept, and there is always a room for, I already have a design change for the this idea, but I don't want to change right now because it's already under the development. That is why I don't want to change. So once they will send, then they will get this kind of notification, okay, or confirmation dialog box. So likewise, and if someone is login, and if someone is seeing his or her profile, then they will see this kind of information: first name, address, okay, company. We are not collecting much more data. We are collecting very few data, and there we can see the customer's history. So these are the things that I designed or created using what you called this kind of mood board. So these are the this is the simple basic process that come up with the mood board and try to apply or try to get some kind of ideas from the mood board, and based on these mood boards try to design. So now how to get the idea or where you can find, simply there are lots of what you called a platform to get the ideas. So as I see, I check the competitors' website to get the inspiration before going into Pinterest, or before going into the Dribble, or before going into the Behance. First, I try to directly encounter with the competitor so that I can easily get the ideas. Okay, how they are presenting, how they are doing good. Obviously, they are doing better than us. That means we can follow some of the ideas from them. That is why I first see their ideas and I collected them. And after that, I went to the Pinterest. So this is another what you called one good website to get the ideas. Okay, I practice some of the drawing skill also. That is why it's like popped off in the very first. Okay, let me log in. Huh? I'll show you. So how you can collect first. You can log in. Okay, here you can create your account, and you can save the pins for future reference also. I have collected lots of pin here. I will show you that how I collected and how I get. You see, these are the like pins I try to collect. So drawing, okay, game sketches, cyber security, learn, sticker design. This is how I try to collect lots of ideas and inspiration to see. So okay, let's see, maybe simple sticker design. If I want to go with the sticker design, and then I can see lots of ideas that I collected here from the over the internet. Okay, this is one idea to collect and store your idea. And if you are first time that visiting the Pinterest, then simply you can taste. Okay, I want what do you call the product showcase website design, anything. Okay, simply type it and you can get the lots of references. Okay, anything whatever you like, just click on that, and if you want to save it, then save. Here you can see, and you can create one board also. See, if you have a related board, then you can just click on any one and save it. Otherwise you can create a board and you can save it. Okay, this is one website that you can get the inspiration. Next is simply Behance. uh, Okay, this is my one profile. It's very basic. I am not uploading here, but okay, yeah. There you can see lots of designer are creating and posting, and you can search here what you are looking for. Okay, so let's say branding design or anything. Let's say UI design for website, basic anything you can type whatever you are looking for. You can type and you can see the concept. See, let's say a medical website landing page. You can see okay, there is no any restriction to get the inspiration from anything. Okay, sometimes you can add me like you can collect the ideas for some kind of particular section. See what we do, it looks like good. I feel good earlier. There is a one action CTF option. Okay, and the like looks is quite good, plain simple design. So yeah, Likewise, you can collect everything. So anything, whatever you see and you like, you can collect, okay, and you can store and you can get the ideas for your websites. Well, likewise, there is another DRIBBPLA Dribble, okay, um, and whatever you want to see, you can see. Let's say, yeah, let's go with the web design, and see there are lots of ideas. Don't try to copy as it is, but try to take some kind of particular few action section, so that you can find sometimes somewhere you can find font idea, somewhere you can find the color variation idea, okay, sometimes you can find the idea for the icons, okay. So don't go with the entire screen, try to go with the some small amount and try to see the details. For example, here look at the icons. The designer plays a perfect island. All the icons are quite balanced. See, every icons are outlined icon, not filled or not anyone is quite a bolder or not any other is thicker. All the icons are quite same shape, same size, same stroke. Okay, outline icon quite nice. It is good what do you call it, approach for the designer. Okay, this is how you can get the ideas and you can collect and you can prepare the mood board for your website so that you can design, okay, your website. Okay, so yeah, I will today's I would like to end my class today, and I don't want to explain furthermore because before today, like in last two classes, we discussed wireframing. In today's class, we discuss about the collecting or preparing mood board and getting some kind of inspiration. So now try to prepare something so that at least we have some kind of content to discuss, okay. In generally, like I am at the end of my regular classes, I mean to say, like not today's only class. See, there are nothing or there are not much more to say from my side if you are not able to come up with your design, cause design is the thing that you have to do and then we can discuss further, okay, without like giving some kind of or doing some kind of project, the class won't be a fruitful for you and it won't be a useful for all of us, okay. So I expect you to do some kind of even a one small screen, like yesterday I showed you one small screen of Cafu. At least likewise you can build something, okay. Don't try to go with the perfectionist ideas, okay. Design never be perfect. There is always a room for a change. See, I will give you the same one simple example, okay. iPhone always looks perfect, but every year they change something because there is a room for change. Every person, like still some person are using iPhone 5 or 4. It's perfect for them, but someone who is using what you called iPhone 15, it's not perfect them. So likewise, there is always room for the design and everything, and we don't have much more time, so that I think this will be my last word, okay, for this today's class, and I will request you to prepare some kind of information, some kind of content so that we can discuss in further class. Okay. So, and I would like to say thank you for joining this class, and I hope you are getting some kind of insight. And I believe that tomorrow you all bring something. Okay. At least say something
Sure, sir.
okay or
Yes,
anything.
sir. Sure, sure.
Okay, okay, great. So now have a good and great night to you and prepare some assignments so that we can discuss further. Okay. And bye bye for,
Okay, sir.
okay, bye bye.